Hello and welcome to Magid Darbuka channel. I'm Magid, and today we're going to talk about the two hardest sounds on the Darbuka, which are the sak and the ka. The sak sound is one of the most difficult sounds to master. It doesn't take just a day or two. It can take days, weeks, or even months to get it clean and correct. And the same goes for the ka sound. Let's start with the sak. Hand shape is very important here. Your hand should be slightly curved, and you should hit the drum gently. At the beginning, don't focus on volume. Focus on getting the correct hand shape.
The sak sound is one of the most difficult sounds to master. It doesn't take just a day or two. It can take days, weeks, or even months to get it clean and correct. Now let's move to the ka. This sound is played with the left hand. The correct technique uses the fourth finger, or the ring finger. But in the beginning, you can play it using the whole hand temporarily to train your left hand to work properly and build the skill step by step.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
After that, we start practicing exercises, combining the sak with another sound like the doom. Dom sak.
Dum. Sak. Dum. Sak. Dum. Sak.
And dom ka.
Ko. Dum. Ko. Dum. Dum. Dum.
Then we apply them to rhythms with Maqsum rhythm.
Dum. Sak. Sak. Dum. Sak. Dum. Sak. Sak. Dum. Sak. Dum. Sak. Sak. Dum. Sak. Dum. Ka. Ka. Dum. Ka.
And with Malfuf rhythm.
Dum. Sak. Sak. Dum. Sak. Sak. Dum. ونفس القصة مع القا. دم. قا. قا. دم. قا. قا.
Practice slowly. Focus on clean sound, not speed. And over time, you will improve a lot. Finally, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what you want to learn next. This was Magid from Magid Darbuka channel.